Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle Kolb and today I'm going to be doing a huge TJ Maxx review haul. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. It would really boost my views. And if you would like to like or comment below, that would mean a lot to me as well. And just let me know what else you'd want to see from me or what your favorite YouTube video is. I just love watching hauls, so that's why I'm doing one right now. But anyways, please keep watching. Okay, so just a disclaimer, I went to TJ Maxx prior to the quarantine. I went a couple weeks ago and I honestly have kept this in a bag for a couple weeks until I got to film this video. So you don't know how excited I am to be able to use these items. Some of them are sheets also. So I was like, oh, I really want to wash my sheets today so I can wear these. So wear them so I can put them on my bed. So I'm going to be doing that right after this video. So I'm just super excited. Anyways, okay, so the first item that I have is this Sip by Swell bottle. It's super cute. It has like the cutest, hold on, try to focus, little smiley faces on it. I don't know, I saw this, I'm not gonna lie, okay, I've already used this one, but I saw this and I just thought that it would make me really happy at work. I've never bought a size like this. So anyway, so I saw this and I was like, she's gotta come home with me. And after, like, this is pre-corona too, I honestly use this all the time at work and it was fun and it was really cute and everyone liked it, so whatevs. So that's my first item. My second item is Epsoak. So I really, every time I work out, I use this in the bath. Not every time, but like whenever I do take a bath or I'm super sore, I put this in the bath and it really helps. So this is the energizing one. It is infused with eucalyptus and peppermint. And it said blend crafted for workout recovery. So I think that that's really helpful. It really helps me when I'm super sore. I've never bought this kind personally. I normally go to Walmart and buy it, but it's kind of, it has like little detailing on the back on like why it's important and things like that. So yeah, so you should pick this up. Third item that I got, and this is my favorite item. So I'm just gonna pause for a second and let me breathe. Okay. So these are queen sheets. I have a queen bed, but these are butterfly sheets. Aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So it has a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So these are what I'm gonna put on my bed. I'm so excited. So like, I don't really like butterflies that much, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know, I feel like they're really springy and happy, and like it's not too much butterfly. Like there's a lot of butterfly on it, but it's kind of like, it's white though, and it has like blue butterfly print. Like I feel like if it was just covered, I wouldn't be into it, but I don't know, I think it's really cute. I was like, I need to try this. One of my white sheets has already been ripped, so that's rough. Oh, my fourth item is these earrings. Aren't they cute? They're super cute. They kind of cut off right here. I think these are kind of a new trend going on that I've noticed. But they came in like this little box, but I had to put them in for the video because I thought it was really cute. But yeah, I don't know. I've been wearing them out and I've actually gotten a lot of compliments on them. They were only $15, so I feel like that's pretty reasonable for earrings, especially like these haven't tarnished. Like I take them out before I go in the shower, but these haven't tarnished at all. So the rest of it. Okay, so to go along with like my theme right now is kind of like self-care, I guess. This was the theme of the shopping, honestly, like not on purpose, but it just was. Okay, next I got Foxybae. So this stuff is supposed to smell really good. It's supposed to smell like vanilla, but it's just heat protectant spray for your hair before you use conditioner or shampoo. So it's conditioning spray for your hair before you use any heating tool, straightening, curling iron, or a hair dryer especially. People don't know that, but you're definitely supposed to put it on before you use a hair dryer. Anyway, so I haven't tried it yet. I'll let you know how it works, but I heard really good reviews. I'm one of those people that where like when I'm shopping, I'll like look on my phone, I'll be like, is this, you know, like read reviews of other people. Is this really good? Or like even though this price is a little bit better, like I don't know, I just want to double check for myself. So my next item are Poofs. I think these are super cute. They're called Lush Poofs, and they're supposed to be good for like keeping your skin really soft. I've had one for like a year and I never really used it, but I felt like it was really gross to keep, so I threw it away. To like exfoliate your skin, obviously I need to. I have like a lot of like dry spots on me, so I've just been like lotioning it up, but it's from vacation. Anyways, I bought these. I'm hoping that these would help, and I know that they will, but I haven't used them yet because I was saving for this video, but I definitely will. Comment below which one I should use first. I don't know. I'm so bad with colors, but I think they're really cute. This little jar, I got it for $1 actually, and it's really cute. I'm gonna put lipsticks in here, so I thought that would be a really good idea to put like on my dresser. So I think that's super cute. Okay, next I got one of these brushes. It says natural spa bath. So this is gonna be used to exfoliate my back. And you know, my legs maybe. I'll probably use it. It has like a little cute strap on the side. I've never bought this, but I think this would be really nice, especially in the summer when I'm sweating a lot for like back acne and things like that. I think that this would really help, and I have definitely read reviews where this does help. So excited for that. Next, I got these Anastasia, of course. I got this at TJ Maxx though, which is kind of crazy to me. Anyways, they're all like summer colors. I think they're really cute. So I'm gonna take this off and show you. Okay, so this one is neon coral. This is pastel coral. Wait, this is pastel coral. This is red coral. And this is spicy. So spicy I wore in my Instagram post a couple weeks ago whenever I was on vacation. So that is super cute. And it honestly showed up really well on camera. I didn't really know what it would look like, but I think it's adorable. Next I got a Velvet Touch lash applicator. I think these are super cute and really, really nice to use for like false lashes. Right now I have lash extensions. Shout out to Witch Hazel Salon. But these are really, really nice whenever you do put on false lashes. And you know your favorite item below. My favorite is seriously these sheets. Ugh, I'm dead for these sheets. These are so cute. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put these on tonight. And they're super adorable. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was, or what your favorite bargain you've ever gotten from TJ Maxx is, or Marshalls or HomeGoods, because I know that they're all owned by the same company. I just personally love TJ Maxx like the best. Like, I just think they're so cute. I know a lot of people shop at like Ross and stuff too, but there's a certain TJ Maxx I go to, and I swear I always find really good deals and exactly what I want. So yeah, so just let me know if you liked the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!